Diagram of how it should be set up. You have a USB cable, so it is plug and play, and then you also have your specifications there on the side. So let's go ahead and open it up. All right, so it does come with a nice packaging here. You do have a user manual, and it pretty much says all this stuff that I just explained, but you can read that. Your foam cover that goes on top of your microphone, and your pop filter. So this pop filter helps with those P, K sounds. Any sound that you make that has a sudden rush of air, it helps to stop that. So this is your pop filter. It has a clamp where you clamp it down on the arm simply by tightening up here. Pretty good construction metal brace here that kind of keeps everything in place wherever you decide to position it. So in the package, you have the microphone mount here, and it's all packaged up. But here's the clamps where you open up the clamp here and you set the microphone right inside there. And then also this is where you're going to mount it to the arm, and I'll show you that here in a second. But pretty good construction. It's all metal. You do have a band here. You have your USB cable. Plug and play allows you to do just plug and play into your computer or laptop. This helps to reduce your interference. So pretty good cable here. And then this is your table clamp. So in your table clamp, you will mount it to the table just using this clamp. Then you can also put the arm right in this hole here, and then that holds it up. So I'll show you the arm next. So this is the arm. It's metal. It has a really good some good springs. It is bolted. You do have some bolts here where you can tighten some things up if you need to. This is where your shock mount goes on the end of this. So we'll mount that here in a second. And then also this is where your table clamp will go, right here. So it is metal, and again it is pretty solid. So I'll set that right here. And then we finally have the microphone. So this is a really nice microphone. It's all metal. That's where you'll plug in your mic here, and then your USB side into the computer. The microphone itself is very sturdy. It has some weight to it, so it's put together well. Now I was reading that where you talk into the mic, you talk into it with the label, with the logo facing you. So again, whenever you put it into your shock mount, you want to make sure that that label is facing you. I'm currently using a lapel mic, but I'm going to go ahead and put it together. Whenever I come back, you should be able to hear the difference in the quality. Okay, so now I'm speaking into the mic. As you can tell, it's a lot better quality sound. If you rewind this video about 10 or 15 seconds, you'll notice a humming sound. That was the mic I was using. It was just a lapel mic. I've used mics that you know, just from the camera recording. I've used the webcam mics, but this mic is definitely the best mic that I've used so far. For the price, it's in the $50 range. I mean, you know, you can't beat that. I heard somebody tell me that it sounds like I'm on the radio. So, I mean, that's pretty good quality for what I'm going to be doing. And what I'm going to be doing, I'm doing tutorials. I'll probably do a little bit of the gaming too. And then product review. So whenever I do a product review, you want it to have a good clean sound, a nice sound. So definitely for the money, you can't beat it. But I enjoy it. I like it. It's a really cool mic. It's definitely a step up. I probably won't use the pop filter because it's like, you know, right in my face. But other than that, I mean, I like it. It's a solid mic. And I'm looking forward to working with it and doing more videos. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate that. And thank you for watching.